Preparing for the ACCA Taxation (TX) exam. In this video, we'll cover corporation tax, an essential area in UK business taxation. Let's get started. Corporation tax applies to UK companies on their profits, including trading income, investment income, and capital gains. The key areas include assessable profits, accounting periods, basis of assessment, and differences in tax treatment between companies and individuals. Companies are assessed annually based on their accounting periods. Understand how accounting periods affect corporation tax calculations. Distributed profits include dividends paid to shareholders and certain forms of employee remuneration. These distributions have special tax rules depending on the recipient. Dividends received by companies are usually exempt from tax, while dividends received by individuals are taxable. Know how distributed profits affect corporation tax liability. Corporation tax computations focus on UK profits, including trading profits, investment income, capital gains, and pro forma calculations. A company earning £200,000 in trading profits and £50,000 in investment income will be taxed on the total of £250,000. Understand how different income types are taxed within a company. Corporation tax liability is calculated using basic rules. Marginal relief for companies with profits between £50,000 and £250,000, effective marginal rate of tax, and associated companies which affect tax calculations. A company with profits of £100,000 may qualify for marginal relief, reducing its tax liability. Be familiar with how marginal relief applies to small and medium-sized companies. Companies are responsible for completing and submitting tax returns in IXBRL format, paying corporation tax by the due date, and avoiding penalties for incorrect returns or late submissions. A company failing to submit its tax return by the deadline faces automatic fines. Know the procedures for filing returns and making payments. Companies may claim various tax reliefs, such as loss relief, R&D tax relief, and investment allowances. Enforcement includes penalties for late submission of returns, failure to retain records, and incorrect returns. Claiming R&D relief can significantly reduce corporation tax liability. Understand how to apply tax reliefs and avoid penalties. Tax treatment varies depending on whether a business is structured as a sole trader or a limited company. This impacts tax rates, allowances, and reliefs. A sole trader pays income tax, while a limited company pays corporation tax. Be aware of the differences in tax treatment for various business structures. For ACCA TX success, focus on computing corporation tax for various income types, applying marginal relief correctly, filing tax returns and claiming relevant reliefs, and understanding tax differences between business structures. Keep practicing past ACCA TX questions. Good luck!